This is the one to have. It's really rare.
That's great.
Just this by itself in really good shape, they go for like $1,000.
What?
And in really good shape, they go for like 2,500 bucks.
What?
Okay, now we have this problem right here. It's beat to hell. That might just look like a little dent back there, but it's a really big issue. It's worth like 1,500 bucks in this condition.
I get antiques in here all the time, and collectors love them. I just wish this one was in better shape.
What were you looking to do with it?
I was looking to sell it.
How much did you want for it?
I was looking $2,000.
$2,000's not gonna happen. It's more like 1,000 bucks.
We just said it was 1,500.
You go open up your own store and, hire some employees, do a little advertising, sell it in your store for 1,500 bucks.
Well, I really would like to get 12 for it. I disagree with you. The dent just gives it character.
My best price is $1,100. That is the best I can do.
The best. You're not,
The
nothing
best.
more.
Nothing more.
Not a nickel more.
Not a nickel more. I'll let you walk for a nickel.